How did you guys get it to work better?
The pin.
Really? Do you need more?
Yes.
I still have some, but we have to have it down when...
In order to pin them?
Whoa.
Hi, Jake.
Mom, I get to sit down for mine. I can just lift it up and see when it goes. If I let go, it doesn't look good.
Really?
I'll stay in the middle and lift this part up.
Yeah.
Okay.
Do good. You're doing good.
Jake has a heavy part.
Yeah. Me too. I got a really heavy part. It already almost lifted me up.
Oh my goodness.
Jake will be okay?
Oh my gosh. This is good teamwork, you guys. What do you need? A new parachute? Yes.
Mom, look. Guys, keep it down. I'm going to pin up that part.
Okay, you can come get more pins if you run out.
Oh, I've already got it. Right in my pocket.
Okay. This is good teamwork. I'm proud of you guys. Nate, are you having fun? What are you working on? Say it again?
I'm trying to untangle it.
Oh.
The line's breaking off.
Aunt Ellie. No, go like that. Go like that.
Oh, wow.
Ellie, up! Ellie! Mom, all the pins came undone on this one.
Oh, really? Oh.
Put on my ear.
Oh my gosh.
They came undone.
It was too strong, huh? Don't, Ellie.